Because that one was like a minute long.
Oh, yeah.
So that makes it look less fake.
Pull up on it.
Probably like. You sound like a
Sure.
realistic.
Yeah, I know. He needs to bend it up. So it looks real.
Probably like this.
Oh,
Yeah. That's gay, bro.
Oh!
second pair of handlebars.
Broke in a day. Less than 24
Show the other
hours.
pair too.
Both my handlebars, too.
Well, I have not touched them. Yo. The whole bike's good.
There's the other pair right
Hey.
there.
Dude, I got a lifetime warranty on those handlebars. So if they snap, dude, all I gotta do is send them back to Dance Comp, dude, and they'll send me another pair.